Yo. All right. All right. So today is March 19th, 2025. Um, Not a very good day for me. As far as trade wise, I'm gonna go over today. I took two trades. I'll try to take three. I took two trades. They were a little bit more. I was under the water a lot more than I thought. I didn't think that I would have been that far deep in the under the water, but I was a little under the water a lot more than I thought. On the first two trades, that the trade here that would have worked out would have brought me break even or close to break even on the day. So I did tell myself that I would give myself a 20-point stop risk for the entire day, which is that 20 points. And I was about to break that rule because I was for sure the last trade was going to work out. But I told myself, what's the point of me setting these rules if I'm just going to keep breaking them, right? Even if it worked out or not, I might have another time where it doesn't work out and it put me more under the water. So $100 was my limit. So I lost $100 plus commission, and I'm just gonna suck it up, right? So this is today's market. So today we see that I was a bit perplexed about how the market was going to go. Um, how the market was going to go. We opened up with a buy into this level, absorbed it, right? I like this, and I said, okay, I wanted to go short, but then price went above it. The sell, I said, okay, well, I'm not really too much interested in that anymore, right? Because I don't want the price to go above the sell if we're selling. We got above the sell, went below the buy, and now I'm perplexed, right? I thought about entering here. I thought about entering as price was breaking, aiming for these lows down here or settlement price really, because this was the strongest volume that we had, right? And so you had it there too. And Q was doing this thing selling off. ES started to sell off, and then that was pretty much it for ES, right? ES said no, I'm gonna reverse from here, and I think that's the lowest it went. Then we had the spike. I don't know what the heck that was. It was like a spike out of nowhere. But if we looked at VIX, VIX did hit a level. I don't know why VIX was so sensitive. And then ES and then Q were hitting somewhere they had a buying level on the higher time frame. Let me pull those up. Let me zoom out so we can mark that area. I think it's probably from the 30-man hour time frame. If I was this one, this from the hour time frame. This is the morning with a rally, not the hour time frame. Wait a minute. Yeah, it was a da, 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 da. 30-minute time frame for ES for NQ, right? Hit that buy, NQ ES came close to it, right? We had like a weird buy happening, but I didn't mark it. So let's go into this level right here, and then we'll look at it from all of the time frames to see what we got that made price react so abruptly at this level on all of the time frames. So I think this one came, yeah, right. So what is it? That one right here, right? Let's do this. Let's put it on the all right, cause I can only learn by reviewing, and I've been doing much better. That okay, and then this one here with yes. All right. So we're looking at this one here, right? is the one that we're going to look at. I tell you the truth, I would have never noticed these. It's the one that we're looking at, right? And then we're going to cross-reference it like this, like so. All right. That. All right. Like that. Okay. So we got a 30. Right. Let's go back to the hour. We see that's nothing there. 4 hours. Sheesh. 4 hours. Nothing there. But it is an absorption candle prior. So boom, boom, bam. Right. So it does do something to the market. Where is it? Is it this right here? Yeah, this thing way over here, right? So absorption. So this is we're in a buy realm. Why? I don't know why I was trying to go short. Slap myself. 15-minute. Felt sell. Felt sell right before it. Fell sell right before it. This was a buy, right? Yeah, inside. All right, fell sell right before it. Okay. And price really came to that failed sell. Got this here. All right, this needed to be marked. I would have marked that anyways. Because that's an absorption inside of an absorption. Perfect trade. Felt buy. Felt buy. Felt sell. Felt sell. Failed buy. So here we had a buy, sell, failed buy, came back to the failed buy, and then sold off. Okay. 5-minute. Failed sell. Alright. Nothing there. Alright, that's really hard to read. NQ does a good job reading it. Really hard to read. But that's what we went to. Right? Consolidation, bounce, consolidation, bounce. Alright, so maybe we now remark this like this. I'm trying, guys. I am trying to make sense of it. Right, we had a consolidation up. All right, so that means that we should have a consolidation somewhere around here. So something like that. So we're just going to try to aper this as much as possible. So from here to here. here. All right, that's where we went to, and then we sold out of it. All right, and then let's go to the 1 minute. All right, we have buy, 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 sell off, a lot of nonsense. Came back to this and then took off. Just a nice little thing going on here, and then took off. It's kind of hard to read that. Let's max this out by itself. All right, we can see that we had a break in the buying. So now that we have all of that cleared up, we can see that, okay, drawing, so I say, okay, we have buying RSI, stop, more buying RSI, and then price, stop, and then more buying RSI, right? We have a pause in the RSIs right here. So I wonder if this is a fair value gap. Oh, we touched it. We came back to it. Boom. Alright. So it's like an RSI break. We came right back to it. Look at that. Bam. Alright, let's go. Boom. Alright. This one also has something similar right here, but we broke it, came back, broke it, came back, tossed up. There was a lot going on. Alright, so and then I got devoured. Alright, so yeah. So if we go, we clear this one too. We see that we had that pause in the RSI from here to here. We have a pause in the RSI, and then price just really just came back down to it, and then bought itself up. All right, so to the 5 minute. All right, bought itself up. Let's go to NQ. I'm at ES. All right, consolidate, up, down, down, up. All right, held to sell. All right, came up to this buy and failed a little bit. Came up to this consolidation and failed. This right, this right here, the two absorption levels. Right, went up to it, sold off, double top. Go back to the 1 minute. You see that we had absorption, trend line. Trend line break. Cool. Right. Boom. Break it. Came back, retested, sold off. There's a lot going on. All right. So, anyways, let's get back to this. Here it is. All right. So the market had a nice little double top. Couldn't figure out what was going on. I wanted to go short, I wanted to go long, couldn't figure it out. Alright, so that took a lot more time than I thought. The price came back down to this level here. I didn't have it marked, but now that I looked back and reviewed, well, maybe I could have the mark. Price bought up. I'm liking this area here, looking for potential short if price can really reject it. Price never rejects it. I like this failed here. I marked these here. I probably could have marked the higher candle, the top part. I thought about marking that, but I said I'm only marking these because that's where I usually mark them, and I am just following that plan. Price comes down to the top part. Got some RSI, got an RSI here, matched it with NQ, and then price just went back up after that. It broke a trend line right there, and then there it goes. It's going up, came back down, and then I was trying to find a short here. I was getting tired. Price kept going up. I saw this absorption, and then I was just too tired. I walked away before that because I thought price was gonna go sideways until Powell. Unfortunately, it did not. I wasn't there. I missed this nice little trend line, this little double top. We got this. Let's go back. So you see we got that buying coming in here, and we get an absorption candle here. Absorption candle, buy, right? Oh, okay. Maybe we'll go up higher. No, that was the top of that. All right, that's the top of that. Oh, okay, I guess not. Clear, it needs to clear this other absorption. We clear it, so now it's just like stop loss could be right up here. I think we're doing a straight reversal. I don't have any selling though, but another rejection up here, then probably go short. $14. 32 seconds. No seconds. All right. So okay, so now we look for a top rejection. All right, need a candle to be devoured. Push, another RSI. This candle's getting devoured. All right, enter here, stop loss there. Let's see how that goes. Oh, we got a white candle too, and we got selling. All right, that last candle I failed. Oh no, we got selling. All right, boom, enter there. Right. If we entered there, we could have just tried to run this bad boy back to the lows. That would have been the goal. We had another setup here to go to add to it. We came back and retested that. We tested that this strong buying here that failed. All right, add to it, and there we go. We hit that low, and then we're getting into FOMC. So now I came back around here somewhere, and I'm trying to figure out what the market is doing. I thought about getting long here. No, I was hoping for a sell-off. I think hoping for a buy, failed sell, because we're in a buy, failed buy with the sell, because we're in the a lot of red, right? But the overall trend was buying, and we didn't have any absorption candle, not one. And I said, why would I go short here? These right here, right? That's the reason why. So I did try to go short, not here though. When I got it there, I tried to go short here. I saw this doing a little thing that I like. I like this here, and I said, okay, let me go short here, and stop loss right above. Trying to go in for there. All right, this one made sense. It made a ton of sense. We had a lot of selling here, selling there, but buyers did step in. We're in a higher time frame. I didn't have a true absorption candle. I didn't have a single absorption candle. We didn't have a prior absorption candle, but I didn't have a single absorption candle to really back me up. I think the last absorption candle, 57.20, was actually that 1 minute one, but we looked like we cleared it, where we devoured it with that candle. So after I entered, I did end up getting stopped out maybe 3 minutes later. So 1, 2, and 3. Got stopped out. It is what it is. That one was a 57.50 loss, 11.5 points. Okay, but I did give it a shot. We had some buying in that candle. Let's go back to that red candle real quickly. Oh, yeah, I wish I could move this out. Okay, I did move it out. Okay, so we had buying in that candle with that sell. Probably needed to clear that entire thing because it needed to be a sell candle. So I got an inverse candle saying that, hey, we're selling inside of it, but we're really not. Price is gonna go up, and price went up, right? Price really went up, and then I tried to go long here. I was like, okay, well, his price is moving up. Powell is ending his speech now. His price is moving up. Maybe we'll get one more push up to 57.80, right? But we're at here. Maybe this will go and touch the weekly high, right? I said, well, we're in an uptrend, so there's no point of me trying to short up here. So let me go long. Got stopped out immediately. I said, this is some BS. This is some total BS. All right. All right, cool, whatever. Get stopped out. All right, we sold off. All right. And then I did get my absorption candle finally. This is the absorption candle. I say cool. Got showing the absorption candle on ES. All right, cool. So we'll go back up here. We'll find some place to sell off. I'll take the sell because we have an absorption candle. We got some selling. And then here I tried to sell. Immediately after I entered, I got stopped out because I didn't have enough power to trade. And then so I would have entered right here around 57.47, right? And then right, so a little shy of 57.50, and then down here at the lows. And so I just marked it anyways. I said, let me see what was gonna happen. There goes to the 1. All right, 14 to probably 18 point, 19 point. Waiting for volume to do something. Another aggressive push. That's pretty good right there. All right, and then exit. Right. So yeah, that would have been the trade to make up for most of the loss. A good majority of it. Exiting down here. 28, 39. That's about 20 point gain, right? Boom, and that would have just made up everything, and then I would have been happy with that. But what I'm not happy with is that I took a short when we had no absorption, and I took a long when we were at supply. I told myself I wasn't gonna do that, and I ended up taking a short at supply, right? I know we weren't inside of it. We're inside of it here, but we weren't inside of it here. But I still took a short at supply, and then VIX, I could slap myself. VIX was VIX was rejecting its demand zone. I did the stupidest thing. I'm like, this is the rejecting this demand zone. Sure, let me go long. Rejected. Right, and I ate that. So I don't know why I ate that. I know I was tired. I wasn't in a clear set of mind, but I should have done better. I need to do better. We had to sell. We got a nice pullback, and then we got a nice break. Nice little run. That would have did it. That's all I needed today. Yeah, it came towards the end of the day. I would have been fine with that. I would have been fine with the other trades that I missed out on. But I'm also glad that I stopped myself at the 100 mark, because yes, this could have worked out, but later on the road, what if I end up doing the same damn thing again, where I keep moving how much I'm willing to risk for the day? So $100 loss for the day. I told myself I wasn't going to see what the week looked like. I did not open up what the week looked like. I'm probably at break even for the week because I had like a $25 gain on Monday, $80 gain on Tuesday, and then a $100 loss on today, Wednesday. So probably at break even, which is not good, right? 2 trades wiped up away my other 2 good winning days. So I gotta do better with knowing how much I'm risking. But right now I'm just risking 1 micro, and I will add to the micros when things make sense, but they're only 1 micro going to those levels. Sometimes I will add when I can. So I'm still working on just consistent small wins and small losses, as small as I can. So I would have been happy if this was a $50 loss day. Um, but the spreads have been pretty thick. Well, I do need about 10 to 14 point spread. Is really what it is.